Hindi ko alam kung agent to o tao to. Nag-invest siya, kung talagang isang tao lang to or sugarol. Nag-invest siya ng 90 million pesos. At nanalo siya ng 600 million. At ang tinayaan niya ay System 12. So again, one person, may-ari siya. Maybe siyang may-ari, maybe hindi. Para nag-invest siya ng 90 million. 30 million each outlet na siyang may-ari. Outlet A, outlet B, outlet C. This is in Binondo area. So, he or she owns these 3 outlets. Nagtaya siya System 12 ng 30 million dito, System 12 dito, another 30 million, another 16, 12 dito. So, ABC na outlet, tinayaan niya 30 million sa System 12. Sa System 12 kasi, Senator Coco, hindi uulit yun eh. Hindi uulit. So, although wala akong nakikitang illegal doon, Mr. Robles, na ang isang tao, tatayaan niya ng lahat ng numero, possible combination, para bumalik yung taya niya, plus may tubo pa siya. Ang nakikita ko lang problema, yung bang bago siya mag-invest ng 90 million, saka tinaasan yung prize fund, yung jackpot, dinagdagan ng 500 million to make it 600 million para ma-accommodate yung kanyang kapital. At may tubo pa siya.
Your Honor, yung jackpot namin, hindi naman po tinamaan yun instantaneously. Nag-run pa po yun eh. So, in fact, kaya nag-snowball pa nga yung iba. Because nag-run pa po yun. So, siguro ho, kung after mo in-increase, tumama, baka sakali ho. Pero kung nag-run pa po siya, exposed na po siya sa lahat ng betting eh. So, hindi naman po instantaneous yun eh.
And then doon sa 90 million, what do you think of that? Yung sabi ko, nag-invest na 90 million at nanalo 640 million.
Sir, that is, Your Honor, that is quite out of the ordinary po, sir. But again, sir, we would have to check really if there is a link to an unlawful activity for it to qualify as a money laundering offense po.
Bakit po nasabi out of the ordinary?
Well, sir, the amount is quite huge po, sir. The way that it was, ano po, sir, that as you described po, sir, no, that there was a really the intent to win rin po siguro, sir, that by investing in 3 branches and then actually ano po, trying to be the winner in that particular case po, sir, of the jackpot prize.
So that could be a possible, just possible money
Just
laundering.
possible, sir. Apo, sir.